Landslides Public Service Announcement by Dabach and Matar Rotholz. This is an example of a landslide. What is a landslide? A landslide is the movement of rock, debris, or earth down a slope. They result from the failure of the materials which make up the hill slope and are driven by the force of gravity. Landslides are known also as landslips, slumps, or slope failure. Natural causes of landslides: elevation of pore water pressure by saturation of slope material from either intense or prolonged rainfall. Vibrations caused by earthquakes. Undercutting of cliffs and banks by waves or river erosion. And volcanic eruptions. Human causes of landslides. Human causes include removal of vegetation, leaking pipes such as water and sewer reticulation, mining and quarrying activities, vibrations from heavy traffic, blasting, and etc. How a landslide affects us. Landslides cause property damage, injury, death, and adversely affect a variety of resources. For example, water supplies, fisheries, sewage disposal systems, forests, dams, and roadways can be affected for years after a slide event. The negative economic effects of a landslide include the cost to repair structures, loss of property value, disruption of transportation routes, medical costs in the event of injury, and indirect costs such as lost timber and lost fish stock. Water availability, quantity, and quality can be affected by landslides as well.
Effects on the environment. Erosion played a huge role in damaging the natural environment of the affected area. When a part of a cliff or the origin of the landslide breaks off, it engulfs everything that goes in its path, so this is why erosion has a significant impact in the Threadbow landslide. Another environmental impact of the landslide was a loss of topsoil. Hence, several floras were not able to grow due to lack of soil and stability in the ground. Also, there was a great loss of vegetation and trees. How to avoid a landslide. Avoid hillsides on rainy days. Before going to places near a hillside, be sure to check the weather for rain. If you live on a hillside, make sure to inspect your foundation annually. Where landslides occur the most: the Appalachian Mountains, the Rocky Mountains, Pacific coastal regions, and South America. Average landslide deaths. An average of between 25 and 50 people are killed by landslides each year in the United States. The worldwide death toll per year due to landslides is in the thousands. Most landslide fatalities are from rockfall, debris flows, or volcanoes' debris flows. How do landslides occur? A landslide is the movement of rock debris or earth down a slope. They result from the failure of materials which make up the hill slope and are driven by the force of gravity. Landslides are known as landslips, slumps, or slope failure. Landslides can be triggered by natural causes or by human activity. They range from a single boulder in a rockfall or topple to tens of millions of cubic meters of material and debris flow. Additional information. Here are some links to some additional information on landslide.